back again with another episode of Chainsaw Man. We're going to be watching episode 5, The Gun Devil. And you saw what Denji was about to get into at the end of last episode.
He was finally fulfilling his dream!
His one goal in life.
I feel like something's gonna happen. I feel like somebody's gonna knock on the door as soon as he's like,
Aki, he's gonna be like, what the hell are you doing?
What the hell are y'all doing in there? Well, I guess we'll see.
We're about to just jump straight into it.
Oh my gosh. They're fake. And that's when you say, of course they were fake.
Of course they were fake. Fool.
Can't tell if he's disappointed or just like shocked or... Dang, he didn't even sleep.
Still petrified.
デンジ君、エッチなことはね、相手のことを理解すればするほど気持ちよくなれると私は思うんだ。手のひらは冷たい、温かい。
He's getting rizzed up and you don't even know. I think you're getting rizzed up.
Why do you think I love? I just love her so much. I was like, I was lost in her sauce. She's like the Riz god for him. Like,
oh my gosh. And she let him touch her. Oh my god.
That'd 100% be me if I ever could touch.
お願いがあるんだけど、いいかな?
Anything.
Just say it. Just tell me.
銃の悪魔を倒してほしいの。
銃の悪魔。
もしもデンジ君が銃の悪魔を殺せたら、私が君の願い事、何でも一つ叶えてあげる。
Done. That's done.
He's like,
Consider it done.
if you're Denji.
何でも一つ叶えてあげる。
僕、お兄ちゃんと遊びたい。キャッチボールなら手冷たくならないだろう。家からグローブ取ってこい。
Oh my gosh, is he gonna die?
This is 集めた銃の悪魔の肉片。移動速度が速すぎて体が少し焦げ落ちたみたい。悪魔がこの肉片を食べると銃の悪魔の力でどんな悪魔でも力を増すの。ほら。銃の悪魔はとっても強い悪魔だからね。この肉片がある程度の大きさになれば元の体の場所に戻ろうとするみたい。
Also,
食べさせたのか。
Denji could actually eat all those pieces and get way stronger.
悪魔は全部殺す。
Why?
その先に奴がいる。
Well, they said if a devil eats pieces of the gun devil, they get stronger.
ホテルの宿泊者の生存。
So like if they find him, he could like eat all those pieces to get stronger. I think like before he fights them.
おそらく銃の悪魔の肉片を食べている悪魔です。公安大麻得意4課6人を出動させます。
こいつめっちゃキレてんじゃん。朝のあれのせいだな。
あのいたずらはさすがにまずかったな。
あれはいたずらレベルじゃねえ。殺すぞ。
何があったの？
マキ君、
厳しくしてばっかじゃかわいそうだよ。
そうだぜ。コウモリに殺されかけたと思ったらすぐ仕事だ。帯くれ。
おお。よし。私が一肌脱いでやろう。今回の悪魔を倒した人にはなんと私がほっぺにキスしてあげまーす。
Oh my gosh. So he's like, I get 2 rewards?
キスは俺もいいや。大丈夫。やる気はあっから。
おろ。
俺は初めての銃は誰にするか決めてんだ。その人のために肉片だかなんだかを集めてよ。銃の悪魔をぶっ殺すまでキスはしねえ。
Oh.
He can turn down a girl.
君の前でそれを言うか。じゃあ、デンジ君が悪魔を倒したら、ベロを入れたキスしてあげる。
He's pissed.
God.
Oh my gosh.
アキ君は死なないでね。
You did get the part, right? When it showed the kid, that he was that kid.
Oh, that was him?
That's why it said, like, he has a mission, and it, like, showed the kid again, and then it showed him, like, right after.
Oh,
So that's how his family.
wow. That's messed up.
私のバディ、君で6人目。全員死んでるの。使えない雑魚だから全員死んだ。アキ君は死なないでね。捕まえた。
浮いた。
The battle is joy.
違う違う、私の力。なんじゃ？私は幽霊の悪魔と契約してるの。私の右目を食べさせた代わりにゴーストの右手を使えるってわけ。
じゃあわしがこいつを殺すと言ったらどうする？
武器を引っ込めな。悪いことしたらいつでも首を絞め殺せるぞ。
触れない。
めんどくさいから仲良くやろうよ。
どうした？
俺たち今8階から9階へ行く階段を上りましたよね。
ああ、
ここも8階ですよ。
見間違いじゃねえの？
違う。何かがおかしい。確認してくれ。
新井くん、今階段降りていったよね。
ああ、
He's so funny though.
Another banger of an episode. Man, I forgot so much stuff about a lot of these episodes, so it is good to get like a refresher before this movie comes out. And these outros just fire. It made me remember my love for my queen here, my goddess.
What is the genre of this anime?
I believe it counts as shonen. So it falls in the same category as Jujutsu Kaisen, My Hero, I believe Demon Slayer is shonen. Basically all new anime that's like action like this is shonen.
But it's so funny.
I mean, Demon Slayer has funny parts, Jujutsu Kaisen has funny
Yeah,
parts.
but I don't know.
It's just done way differently. It's really unique, honestly. Some of the stuff that happens, like in regards to, I guess you could say like it's kind of like Jujutsu Kaisen, because they have what is it, curses?
Mm-hmm.
They have curses. They have devils, and in Jujutsu Kaisen they have cursed energy and technique, and they make contracts with the devils to use their abilities. So, it's a little bit different, but I feel like the characters are pretty different. Like, obviously,
Yeah.
Denji is nothing like Yuji.
Heck no.
But, man, this is making me realize my love for this show again. So I'm glad to come back to it.
Yeah. It's getting pretty good. I already know, like, this Gundam, they're probably not gonna even fight it this season, are they? Well, I guess you shouldn't tell me.
I'm not gonna tell you, but you only
I'll
have
just wait.
7 episodes left. Honestly, in these 7 episodes, a lot of stuff still happens. So,
Right, we'll see then.
who, as of now, who is your favorite character? Or have you seen anybody else that you think will probably end up being your favorite character by the end
I
of
don't
these
know.
episodes?
I like Denji, even though he's a pervert. He's just so funny.
I guess I was wrong then. Because I think in the first episode, no, we don't see him in the first. The second episode, as soon as it showed him, I was like, you're going to like Aki. Because you always love the depressed emo, too cool for everybody. People.
But it also it doesn't show him a lot right now. Maybe that's why. I don't know.
I mean,
He's just funny. It's just because he's funny to me. Like, the things that he does. Like, not even necessarily like him being like a little pervert. It's like kind of gross, but it's still funny. Like, the lengths that he's going to just to do these things. And it's like he could get it for free. He wouldn't even have to do all that. He's a nice looking man. Look at him.
Well, apparently he couldn't get it for free. That's the whole reason he's like that.
Because he was poor and he was like...
Wow. So it all just depends on money.
He was just skin and bones. Like, he did not look like that.
He's damn near the same build. He just probably smells better. That's the only difference.
Yeah, and you know what? Smell matters, okay? Because there's a lot of women out here with men who probably don't even make as much as them. So it don't have anything to do with that. So he could, at this stage right now, if he went up to a woman and was like, you want to go out? She'd be like, yes.
It's not that easy.
Oh
Trust me.
gosh.
I've been around, all right? 7 years. I've been trying.
You act like you ain't been with nobody. You have been with plenty of people.
Not like that.
Yes, he has. Don't let him fool you. He has.
Forever alone. Squad right here.
Oh yeah, same though.
I told you. But another great episode. Oh man. She's gonna love this show by the end of it. I
already like it. I do like it. So
she's probably gonna get a Denji tattoo. Maybe Pochita. Who knows?
I'm still trying to get my Gojo tattoo.
Yeah, I gotta get that too. But, alright, hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other shows you want to see us watch or me watch. I have a lot of stuff like cooking up. I'm just ready to like really get into this. So, alright, hope y'all have a good day, week, month. And get ready for this 2024. It's about to be a good one. Peace.